Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be sharing some technical analysis on a coin called PNT. Also, I'm going to be talking about my trade ideas and how I'm going to be playing this out. So first things first, we'll go on coin market cap. We'll check out PNT's stats. So currently it's at $2.17 with a market cap of 60 million, volume 19 million. It's down roughly 3.7% from yesterday. Circulating supplies 27 million, max supply being 87 million. To me, what stands out the most is his market cap because it's fairly low, and then also his circulating supply, which is 27 million currently, so it's really low float. So that sticks out to me, and we'll go look at it here. It was issued in July 2020. So what is PNT network or P network? P network is a solution enabling cross-chain interactions between dApps on multiple networks. It provides a way for moving assets from one blockchain to another, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also many others. So basically, I'm not going to dig too much into the fundamentals here because I'm going to be doing short to mid-term swing trade on it. And then if you guys want, you guys can go check out their website, ptokens.io. And then another thing that sticks out to me when I go on CoinMarketCap, type in PNT, they got a lot of events coming up. And so these are events that possibly could drive up the price of the PNT. And then the chart looks appealing to me. So basically, in the short term here. So what we're going to do here, guys, I'm just going to be using price action, the volume, the RSI. We're just going to keep it really simple. I'm not going to tell you guys this is going to 2x, 3x, or 4x, right? I'm just going to go by what I see. That's it, simple as that, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll draw out some support areas, right? Right around here, there was support. It acted as support previously. Right around here, as you see, this acted as resistance. Somewhat acted as resistance and support. And then right around there, $1.58 level. $1.79, and then we're looking at resistance, also resistance, and then right here, as you see, that day, roughly around it was January 31st, it popped all the way from 51 cents. $6. Obviously that $6.40, obviously that price was not sustainable. It came crashing back down, right? So going at it, I'm actually in this position. I took my position right around here, around the 180 mark, 182 mark, right around here. I entered a small position. I had my stop loss right around here at 162, so I was roughly risking 20 cents, right? And then what happened was it broke out of this resistance area and it came back. Wasn't able to hold on to it. I was still holding on my position. Added some more right around here, around the $2 mark, right? So the way I'm going to be playing this out, guys, you don't have to play it out this way. It's just my opinion, right? So I already added a little bit more. So what I did, I adjusted my stop loss because I want to minimize my risk, right? And then the way I'm going to be playing this out, this is what I see happening. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen, right? This is what I would like to happen. So if this breaks this out right here, if it breaks it out and comes back and tests this, right here, you're going to see there's obviously resistance. There's going to be a lot of sellers out here, right? If this holds, I will add a little bit more. If it holds, I will add a little bit more for breakout of this, right? And the thing is, usually what I would do, I would start taking 50% off right here. But if I'm taking 50% off right here, it just doesn't seem appealing to me, right? I mean, but it all depends on how you want to trade it, or maybe it's appealing to you, right? If you're up 50 cents, maybe it does it for you, right? But for me, if I'm taking 50% off right here, it's not going to do it for me, right? What I want to do, just based on what its market cap is and its circulating supply is, and then I will ride this. So as you see right here, if we break out of this point right here, from here all the way to the top of that is going to be roughly 154%. So it's a 154% move, right? Obviously, we're going to encounter resistance at the whole dollar marks and everything, right? So this is the way I'm going to be playing it out. And also, let's just say, for instance, it doesn't play out the way I want to play out. and then I'm just gonna get stopped out. Simple as that. I'll get stopped out at my stop out price. I'll take a loss, and that's it. Life moves on, right? That's it. You know what I mean? But if it goes the way I want it to go, there's no reason for me to get rid of my full position, right? Once it hits, let's just say roughly around $3.11, I'll take off 50% of my position, and I'll let the other 50 ride. That's it. And I'll adjust my stop loss somewhere around $2 and let's just say $2.23, whatever. So I already take positions. Even if I do come back and I get stopped out right around here, I'm still in profit, right? So what am I doing here, guys? I'm just minimizing my risk, right? Minimizing risk. This thing could come back crashing. You know what I mean? It doesn't necessarily have to go up. Why does it have to go up, right? If the market's bad, if the environment's not there, this thing could come back crashing, right? But if it does crash, what's going to happen, right? I'm wrong. You know what I mean? I'm going to get stopped out. Simple as that. I'm going to move on. But what I did there, I minimized my risk. It's extremely important for you to minimize my risk. And you know what? It's okay to be wrong sometimes, right? If you're always right, think about it this way. If you're always right, what's going to happen? Your head's going to start swelling, right? You're going to think your confidence levels is going to start boost. And then what you're going to do, you're going to start taking bigger positions, and then no stop loss in place, none of that. So yeah, you're not going to be considering stop loss. You're just going to have a lot of confidence. And then you know what? When things go against you, and you're going to be in a really, really bad place, right? Let's just say, for instance, right? And then that's going to give you a check. You know what I mean? So when you're wrong sometimes, it's all right because it puts you in check, right? So you're cautious, right? You know what I mean? But I'm just playing this out just honestly based on its market cap, right? And circulating supply and the events that it has coming up, right? Can we see a move all the way up to the highs right around here, $6.46? For sure we can. You know what I mean? But by then, I'll have my 50% of my position already gone and the other 50% riding, right? If it comes back, and with the other 50%, if it goes to different targets that I have in mind, right? And then what I will do, I'll start taking off partials from that. Let the rest ride. Adjust my stop loss. You know what I mean? But what you want to do, it all depends on how you're going to play it out, right? It all depends on your strategy, right? This is the way I'm playing it out. If you believe in the coin, or if you believe in the company, or if you're investing in the company or whatnot, right? Then you know what? You probably have different strategies, right? You know, maybe you're scalping it. Maybe you're looking for 20 or 30 cents. You're taking big positions, right? But this is the way I'm going to be playing out. I'm playing it out on a short to midterm hold. Yeah, that's about it, guys. And also another thing I just want to point out right here, as we see right here, it is forming a trend, right? And it's in the channel right here, in my opinion. Right around here, right? It's making what? Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So just because if this trend right here, the bottom of the trend line right here, acting as support, if it breaks, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to come crashing down, right? Guys, you can go sideways, right? This thing could go sideways. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's, you know, doomsday, right? It could go sideways, or it could come back and test 180, right? Test 180, and then this is my entry. If it comes around, if it breaks and comes around 180, and I see volume picking up, and I see volume picking up, and then you know what? I'll consider adding, but making my stop loss tight, right? And that's just because that's just what I'm willing to risk, right? Everybody has a different account size. Everybody's risk is different, right? Everybody's targets are different. You know what I mean? So yeah. So basically, guys, that's how I'm gonna be playing out PNT. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up. And then if you guys like the information that we put out there, it'll be much appreciated if you guys subscribe. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Have yourself a great day.